It's very humid. I'm sweating my ass off. It's like 90 degrees, muggy, it rained. It's like Florida weather times 10. Me and Lisa ended up getting some iced coffees. And we're walking while we're drinking them, so definitely breaking some social norms here, but it is what it is. We're on our way to the temple, and we found a public restroom. I guess, is this common in Japan? I don't know, but just a random public restroom. How's the public restroom?
That's probably the cleanest public restroom I have ever been to in my entire life.
Really?
My is the cleanest it's been after taking a public in my entire life.
Wow.
Honestly, 10 out of 10.
Really?
Japan is a very poop-friendly city.
Yeah. The bidets here are on another level. They're amazing. We have to be quiet up here. You see that guy with? Oh, be careful. Even while yielding to its container's form, water too can pierce entirely through the hardest rock. Such is its enduring strength.
I like that.
What's yours say?
Going to excess is as wrong as falling short, so used carelessly, words also can be the cause of propagating harm.
Okay. Work and work in excess. Setagaya City, I wanted to stop at a grocery store and get a couple of snacks. I wanted to try this egg sandwich again. You know, I feel like these egg sandwiches in Japan are a bit overhyped. They're okay, but it definitely feels overhyped. Even the 7-Eleven ones that people rave about. I wanted to try this one. It was decent, you know, for about $1.30. I can't really complain, but I think I do prefer the softer white bread on these sandwiches. The other one I got was a yakisoba sandwich. I've seen this like in animes and stuff, so I wanted to try it out. Seems like it's popular. Doesn't seem very appetizing to me, but you know, when in Rome. It tasted pretty much how I expected it to taste. It's kind of basic. The yakisoba noodles inside are kind of greasy, a little bland, and then the bread is nothing special. I definitely preferred the egg sandwich over the yakisoba one. And then lastly, I got some grocery store sushi. I wanted to see how it stacks up against our grocery store sushi. It was about 1,300 yen. So I think that was probably like 12, 13 US dollars. So like honestly, like price wise, this is a pretty good deal. In the States, something like this would run us about like $15 to $20. So, and you get a good variety in here, you know, salmon, tuna, albacore, some eel, some shrimp. The sushi itself was decent. If I would have got this in the States, I mean, I would be happy. It was solid, you know, obviously not like sushi at an actual restaurant, but you know, the salmon was solid. The pieces were a little thin though. Tuna was good, the eel was okay, and the shrimp was okay. So overall, you know, not bad. It was about what I expected. I forgot, we also got these little glutinous rice ball snacks. 118 yen, so like less than $1. I think these are called dango, I think. It's kind of good. It kind of tastes like it's slathered in teriyaki sauce.
Really?
Which is kind of throwing me off, but I mean, it's kind of good. Decent little snack.